If you want to change the project's view in CapCut, you're in the right place. This is a quick and easy way to switch how your projects are displayed, whether you prefer a cleaner grid layout or a simple list view. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy software guides. First, open CapCut and land on the home screen. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the projects heading. This is where all of your saved projects are shown, so take a moment to locate that section. Now look to the right-hand side of the project's heading. You'll notice a search icon, and just beside that, you'll see the view icon. This is the button that controls how your projects are displayed on the screen. Go ahead and click the view icon. As soon as you do, CapCut will show you two different options, grid and list. The grid view is great if you like seeing more project thumbnails at once, while the list view is useful if you want a more organized, compact layout. Choose the option that works best for you. If you prefer visuals and quick browsing, grid is usually the better choice. If you want a straightforward list that's easier to scan, then list might be the way to go. CapCut will switch the projects section instantly, so you can continue working with the layout you like most. And that's it. You've successfully changed the projects view in CapCut. It only takes a second, but it can make navigating your projects much easier and more comfortable. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.